welcome. Today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So let's just first select the screen where you want to add a widget. Just let's hold for a while our device screens and click here to the widgets. Now we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add to our device home screen. Here we can see that the Chrome application has only 2 widgets, so we can see them. Well, this is the Google search and just the Chrome bookmarks. For example, the clock application has just 5 different widgets, so the calendar also only 2, and just the headphones, for example, only 1 widget. And let's use, for example, the calendar shadow. Here we also have the calendar view, month view. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it. For example, we can use the new screen. We can create a new screen with a widget. You can see that's so simple. If you want to change the size of the widget, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag by this way, so we can make it bigger or smaller. That's not a problem. If you want to move the widget here on the screen, just hold and drag it. Now also we can move the widget between the screens. So as you can see, that's so simple. And to remove the widget, hold it and drag it here to remove icon to app section. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.